Hey guys, and welcome back to Impossibly Kosher. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most incredible, creamiest mushroom garlic chicken you'll ever have.
Alright, in a cup, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chicken flavor powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of sea salt. Mix it all real well. This is going to be the rub for the chicken and it gives it a great starting flavor. Now, get your chicken. I'm going to use drumsticks, but feel free to use thighs or full legs. Dark meat comes out always much better than white meat in this case. Add the rub into the Ziploc bag, close the bag, and start to mix, shake, rub, until the rub is all over the chicken. Then, in the fridge it goes. Try to leave it for 1 to 6 hours to really let it marinate properly. Now while that's in the fridge, let's start prepping the other ingredients. Mushrooms to slice, garlic to peel and chop, chopped chives, and chopped thyme. Don't you just love how that works? Oh, and 1 cup of coconut cream. Now get a pan on medium heat and add a fair amount of canola oil or vegetable oil. Once it's heated up, start adding in your chicken. 1, 2, 3, okay, get it out of the way you two. 4, 5, and 6. While it's cooking, take a second and hit that subscribe button below and ring the bell to keep up with all our future videos. Let the chicken cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, then flip. These guys got a bit of char on them, but no biggie, as the coconut cream will help wash that away. Then get them on the side and give them a nice cook to get a good color. They should look like this when they're ready to come out. Slightly crispy with great color. And out they go, onto a plate for now. In the same pan, add in your mushrooms with a bit of sea salt on medium heat and let them sweat a bit. Toss them, mix them, stir them for a couple of minutes. Hey, get back in there. Then add in your thyme, back to stirring and tossing. Oh yeah. Now the chopped garlic, and you know what to do. Go ahead and add in the coconut cream, which will give it an incredibly rich and creamy coconutty flavor to the entire meal. You know you love this recipe, so go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Now keep mixing in the coconut cream to get it nice and melted. Once fully incorporated, time to start adding back that chicken. Now let it cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally and basting the chicken with a creamy sauce. You can tell this is going to taste beyond delicious. After about 5 minutes, add in your chives. Chives should always be the last stage of every meal. Mix it well. Now, time to plate and serve. I'm serving the chicken on a bed of delicious jasmine rice. Check out that recipe link here. Add the chicken on top, some mushrooms, and that delicious sauce. What you'll be left with is a coconut mushroom garlic chicken dish that is incredibly fragrant, beyond flavorful, perfectly cooked, and just the perfect meal for everyone to enjoy right here on Impossibly Kosher.
Hey, if you like that video, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and ring that bell to get notified of new videos just released.